Hello everyone, my name is Sierra from Visa Place and welcome to Immigration Tube, where we keep you updated with the latest news in immigration and try our very hardest to help you throughout your immigration matters. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button up there so you're notified when we have a new video uploaded that could possibly help you out. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can apply to renew or replace your Canadian PR card. So let's get started. Do you need to apply, renew, or replace your Canadian PR card? As an immigrant in Canada, the PR card proves your residency status and is needed when traveling abroad. Eventually, you may need to apply to renew or replace your PR card, which is the same process for all. Before I begin, it's important to know that if you are a new permanent resident, then applying for a PR card is not needed. You will only be applying to renew or replace, which I'm going to explain. To do so, you must be a permanent resident already, and you must be applying while you're in Canada. You should only be applying for a new Canadian PR card if your card has expired or will expire in less than 9 months, your card is lost, stolen, or destroyed, you didn't receive your card within 180 days of immigrating to Canada, or you need to update your card information. To keep your permanent resident status, you must be in Canada for at least 730 days during the last 5 years, which don't need to be continuous. There are 3 simple steps to applying, renewing, or replacing your Canadian PR card. First, you will get an application package which includes a guide and all the forms you need to complete. Then you will pay the application fees and then submit your application. Generally speaking, the process to renew your PR card will take a few weeks. Therefore, it is important that you renew your card well in advance of the expiration date, which the CIC recommends 2 months prior. Now you may be asking yourself, what if my PR card expires and I'm outside of Canada? Don't worry, this happens in many cases. If you find that your PR card has expired and you are outside of Canada, you must obtain a travel document urgently, which will allow you to travel back to Canada. If you show that you have resided in Canada for at least 2 years in the past 5-year period, then the Canadian Office Abroad will most likely issue you a travel document and allow you to return to Canada. We have worked with many individuals looking to apply, renew, or replace their Canadian PR card in the past, and we want to help you too. Book a consultation to speak with an immigration professional to get you closer to reaching your immigration goals.